I would like to speak today peace and humanity in Islam about according to Quran and the Sunnah. Allah is status in Quran, Man qatala nafsan bighayri nafsin aw fasadin fil ard ka'annama qatala an-nas jami'an. Whoever kills a person unjustly without it being in retribution for murder or for spreading corruption on earth, it is as though he has killed all of humanity. Man ahyaha annama ahya an-nas jami'a. And whoever saves a single life, it is as though he has saved all of humanity. In these verses, some lessons. First, sanctity of human life. What are sanctity of human life in Islam? In these verses, Allah Rabbul Izzat described, Allah Almighty clearly emphasizes the sanctity of human life. The unjust killing of innocent person is equated with killing all of humanity because it spread fear, oppression and insecurity throughout the society. And the second point, the greatness of saving life. Saving a life is greatness act. Saving the life of any human being, regardless their nation, religion, or race or color, it considered by Allah to be such a great act that it is equal to saving of all humanity. And the other lesson in this verse, Islam's message of peace. This verse is clear proof that Islam is not a religion of violence or bloodshed. Rather, it is a religion of peace, mercy, and the protection of life. Islam is a comprehensive religion that provides guidance every aspect of human life, individual, social, and global. Its core teachings are firmly rooted in the principles of humanity, justice, mercy, and peace. From its very beginning, Islam has emphasized respect for human life, protection of human dignity, and the establishment of peace in society. The message of Islam is not limited to any particular nation or race or region and a nation. Rather, it is a universal message for all of human beings. Islam lays the foundation of humanity on the honor and dignity of human beings. Allah Rabbul Izzat states in Quran, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ. Indeed, we have honored the human being. This verse clearly shows that Islam grants dignity to every human being, regardless of religion, color, language, or nationality. Peace is not merely a slogan in Islam, it is a practical way of life. The word Islam itself is derived from salam, meaning peace and safety. And a Muslim is defined as a one from whose hands and tongue others are safe. The Prophet Muhammad states, Al-Muslimu man salima nas min lisanihi wa yadihi, described Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal in Musnad Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal. A Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hands people are safe. And the life of Prophet Muhammad is the greatest example of humanity and peace. Despite years of persecution and suffering in Makkah, he responded with passion, tolerance, and forgiveness. At the time of the conquest of Makkah, Fateh Makkah, when his former enemies stood powerless before him, he declared, لا تصريب عليكم اليوم اذهبوا وأنتم طلقاء. لا تصريب عليكم اليوم. No blame will be upon you today. اذهبوا أنتم طلقاء. Go, for you are all free. This act of mercy remains one of the most remarkable example of forgiveness and peace in human history. Islam also strongly protects the rights of a non-Muslim, their beliefs, properties, and places of worship. He has granted safety in an Islamic society. The Prophet Muhammad stated, "Man adha dhimmiyan fa ana khasmuhu, wa man kuntu khasmuhu khasamtuhu yawm al-qiyamah." Whoever harms a non-Muslim under protection, I will be his opponent on the day of judgment, is my Prophet status. This clearly demonstrates Islamic commitments to religious tolerance, justice, and peaceful coexistence. In conclusion, Islam has always taught humanity, compassion, justice, and peace. Its true message promotes love, tolerance, and mutual respect. Islam not hatred or violence. If the genuine teachings of Islam are understood and practiced, the world can become a palace of peace and humanity. In today's turbulent times, humanity is in great need of this message. Allah bless on earth and Allah bless on everyone, every country, every nation. Allah bless. Amin. Amin. Bijahil Sayyidina Muslim. وما علينا إلا الله.